in the silence of the night, when the stars have lost their light. A voice arose, so calm, so near, a whisper saying hope is here. صوت في الظلام يرشد القلوب. He is the voice in the darkness, calling hearts to rise again. نور في الظلمات يهدي السبيل. Through the shadows, through the sorrow, faith will guide us, not in vain. Every word a gentle flame, breaking chains in mercy's name. Tears are dried, the soul is healed. Through his truth the light revealed. كلماته نور ورحمة تسكن فينا. He is the voice in the darkness, calling hearts to rise again. صوت في الظلام يحمل الأمل. Through the shadows, through the sorrow, faith will guide us, not in vain. A candle shines, it shows the way. The longest night will turn to day. الشمس ستشرق من